Alright guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can make an image to pop out of a shape. My name is Donald Joel. I will be running you through this tutorial today. I want you to follow me step by step, and as a reminder, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post an update in this Pro Graphic Design Camp, you can actually be notified that the class has been updated. So I will be showing you is a very quick one, straight to the point, and that will be all for now. Now I'm going to be using CorelDraw. You can use any software you want to actually use to achieve what I'm about doing now. So let's draw a shape. These are shape. Any shape you want to use. So I will bring in a picture. All right, for instance, let's use this image. Please make sure the image you are using is already trimmed. You get, for you to have that. If you want to know how to trim an image, there is a video in this Pro Graphic Design Camp you can use. So what I will do, I'm going to power clip. Move it with my right button, power clip. Now make sure the head of this image is above the circle. All right, so the next thing you are going to be doing is you actually make the circle bigger so that you can see it. The next thing you're going to be doing is to duplicate this, Control D, you see. So select the two shapes and press your C on your keyboard and press your T so that both can fall into place. Now we have two shapes here. So what I'm going to be doing is I will right click on this shape at the top and I will extract the content. I'm going to extract it. All right, so hold down your alternate click on the shape behind it and remove it. You can delete this. Take your shape tool, which is your second tool on your toolbar, and you're going to be shaping this image inside. You get? All right, so there we have it. If you take this image out, you can see what we have there. So bring it back, then you can group. So this is what most of you are always asking me, how is this possible? You can do that with any image. You can do that with any shape, be it a polygon or anything. You can do that with any shape. So this is how you achieve this effect. So thank you for watching this class. I will see you in the next class shortly. Bye bye.